And welcome everybody to the Smash News Network. Least busted name in news. I'm your host Dan, aka Smash-A-Mash, and we're blasting through some meteorology type information once again. Thanks to the Smash team, thanks to our Twitch followers. Here are the surface winds of the Western world. Let's switch to the jet stream view. A little bit of chaos happening here in both hemispheres. Some major bends. Some stratospheric warming happening, actually. In the next couple of days, some interesting models about the polar vortex splits. It should be an interesting end to winter as spring rapidly approaches. Here are the jet streams of the Eastern world. Shout out to our viewers from Munda. And from Ova, I mean the equator. Here are the surface winds of this side of the planet. And let's move on to some forecasts. We've got some very warm air. Unfortunately, it's going to be wet air showing up here in the mid-Atlantic states. Huge temperature anomalies coming our way. That's about 16, 17 degrees Celsius for a temperature anomaly. That's the GFS 72-hour temperature anomaly forecast. Some quite cold temperatures showing up in the Rockies and north-central U.S. Next, your precipitation and pressure forecast based on the same GFS model. Some rain and very, very warm temperatures coming. Again, that's a GFS forecast for pressure and precipitation as snow continues to fall around the Rockies and around the central portion of the country and around the Great Lakes and indeed even western Pennsylvania and New York. Expecting to see some wet snow there on the 72-hour forecast. Let's look at the lightning mapper next. Your NASA GOES lightning mapper showing some lightning here in Kansas, Nebraska, and Iowa. Let's see if we have any continued active cells. It looks like we do. We're going to have to call out somebody. Hey, Iowa. Hey, Cedar Rapids. You've got lightning to your east, and you're probably out of the crosshairs as a result of that. Hey, Anamosa. You've got lightning right on top of you. And this system likely moving sort of in a northeasterly path. Anyway, that's your real-time lightning map showing you where the teeth of the storm are. Another active cell also here, south of Sioux Falls. Might be an interesting light show for you at Sioux Falls. Go take some imagery of the area to your south. You never know, you may see sprites, green elves, blue diamonds, pink horseshoes, and purple moons going on above those thunderheads. Use a camera to get UV imagery that you can't see with the naked eye. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch thanks to our Twitch followers. It's such a good live streaming platform that we put up 2 videos yesterday on Twitch. So check those out if you haven't. One even involved us talking to the Minsk, Belarus native Eugene Bagashov. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers for putting up with the pathetic censorship on the platform. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. We're also on BitChute, and when we get a video demonetized on YouTube, it happens once in a while, believe it or not, we take it down from YouTube, set it to private, and upload it so it's only visible on BitChute. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. Next, our weather.gov map, and quite a few weather alerts showing up here. Some winter weather advisories there, and those light purple areas. What is that? Ice storm warnings there around Lake Superior. Yowzers. If your county is lit, click your county at weather.gov. Next, we're looking at water vapor over the Pacific Ocean. The NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite is pretty sweet indeed. This is what's going on in the atmosphere above Earth's largest body of water and largest surface heat sink, the Pacific Ocean. That southern area is quite a desolate region. Not a lot of folks around there to experience all that dry air. There's the northern part, giving us some insight into where our weather is coming from, as the jet stream moves most weather patterns on planet Earth from west to east. Next, looking at your radar.weather.gov map. Doppler radar measuring vertical motion of water droplets in the air column. There's the Doppler radar. We'll focus on the lower 48 for the remainder of the video. Shortwave radio... wait, what? We've got our tabs out of order, folks. So here's the water vapor map. I normally show this last. There is the shortwave infrared radiation map, showing clouds and fog when it's too dark to see them on half the country. Anyway, that's the way systems are moving. We're getting a little bit of an impulse here from this dry mass of air helping to push out this respective low. And it's actually causing a little bit of backwater happening here in Wyoming. That's why your system is stagnating at the moment. There is a U.S. Doppler radar to recap things. There's the water vapor map. And there is clouds and fog. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks especially to the Smash team. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-O-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.